In this chapter, I'm going to show you how to create doors and windows. And doors and windows are pretty quick and easy to create. However, you can spend a lot of time creating a lot of detail in windows that's certainly unnecessary. In the first sections, I'm going to show you how to create simple doors and window frames. And then I'm going to show you a plugin called 1001 Bit Tools, the free plugin that quickly auto-generates doors and windows based off of profiles. Let's get started with creating our generic door. This door here we'll start with is just our closet door, and we want this in a closed position. So go ahead and take the rectangle tool and draw a box around the opening. Now take the select tool, double click to select the face, right click and make it a group, double click to enter that group, and now we want to offset the face 2 inches. However, if we hide the rest of the model, you'll notice it offsets all 4 edges. Let's take the move tool and move this bottom edge up in the blue axes so that we only have 3 of the edges that return here. I'll unhide the rest of the model and now push pull this out just a 1/2 inch. Just to add a little bit of detail, take the line tool, find the midpoint, and just draw a line straight down. And that's all the level of detail that I want for these doors. I don't want them to be highly drawn or rendered. I'll show you later ways in which you can grab components from the 3D warehouse that have more detailed doors. For the bathroom door here, let's take the rectangle, similar process. We'll draw our rectangle, make our group, offset 2 inches, hide the model, move the bottom edge up, push pull out a 1/2 inch. In this case, however, I want to show the door open. Right now it's just a single face and it's connected to the trim. Take the select tool, double click the face, make it a group, and now use the rotate tool and rotate from the blue axes on that bottom edge and rotate this out 90 degrees. Unhide the rest of the model. Double click on our group and let's push pull this 2 inches. So now we have our door open. We can take the select tool and just click outside of the model. Last door that we want to do here is just this door here. So again, rectangle, group, offset, hide rest of model, move that edge up, push pull 1/2 inch, group, rotate this out 90 degrees. Double click to enter and push pull 2 inches. So that's really the basics of creating the doors. Now, if this is a repeated door, you could certainly now right click on this and make it a component and then just position it in place in other areas that it's used. But for right now, this is pretty simple, pretty straightforward for what we need. And we'll move forward with creating simple window frames.